Good evening. Today I'm going to show you the integration between WuFoo Forms, Zapier, and Google Sheets. WuFoo Forms is an online service that allows you to create forms to capture various informations that can be stored on the WuFoo website. It can also be transferred to Google Sheets or other locations using another product called Zapier. Zapier is a free service which allows you to take specific activities based on certain triggers or actions. So in this example, we already have a zap created to move the information captured from WuFoo Forms into Google Sheets. So what we're going to do is submit some information in the contact form, and you'll see how it transposes to Google Sheets. So Mike Stevens, email address mike.stevens@gmail.com, phone number, and Mike would like to receive information about training and formulas. Please email me the information and I will return the email. The best time to contact is in the morning. We're going to submit, and then once the form is submitted, then we go to our Google Sheets and we'll see the information come in shortly. There it is. So Mike Stevens, he wanted to know information about Excel training and formulas, and here are his notes, the best time to contact, and also the date and time is captured. And this is an example of using WuFoo Forms, which is a free service, Zapier, which is a free service, and integrating them with Google Sheets. Thank you.